On October 24, 2025, Novi police officers responded to a two-vehicle crash at 10 Mile and Novi Roads in Michigan. This first unit's dashcam captures the exact moment the situation spirals out of control. Officers were still managing the crash scene when the at-fault driver, who had briefly left, suddenly returns. He walks past stunned first responders, climbs straight into the driver's seat of the MedStar ambulance, and takes off with a patient and paramedic still inside.
Novi unit, someone just took the MedStar ambulance southbound on 10 Mile. Section southbound Novi, we believe.
Radio's ready, I'm trying to pursue it, catch up.
Receive 1757 from radio. Copy. 341. I'm not logged in yet, but I'm in all set. Units, be advised, there's a patient inside the MedStar unit. It's an Asian male driving.
Yeah, two cars trying to pursue right now. Everybody else, just position yourself at different points.
Radio notified me, so we're approaching it.
Receive notifying Marcel approaching now. 40 glide.
It's into the construction zone on Novi, south of 9.
Receive in construction zone.
Radio 31, if you have me.
Confirm.
Ready, can we get an update?
Go again.
Can we get an update?
Westbound 8 Mile approaching center.
Westbound 8 Mile approaching center. Everyone there, go west on 9 Mile. Copy.
If there's anyone near back, if they can head south on back. Yeah, I'll do that.
You've got a blown rear tire on the passenger side.
Are you still through center?
Through center. Continuing westbound 8 Mile.
Thirty's right behind it.
Just past Green Ridge Drive. Continuing westbound.
I got the radio, 30. Right from 40, we're still westbound on 8. 2 miles per hour.
Westbound on 8, 72 miles per hour.
This is unbelievable.
Still westbound, passing left for him. Collision at 8 back, collision at 8 back.
Originating back.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Affirmative. Originating back. The Asian male driver left the vehicle.
What's up?
Flash unit 38. $17.30, can you repeat?
Fighting with one, trying to get him in. Stay on the ground, don't move! Hey. Get in the ambulance, there's a patient in there. Hey, back seat! There's a patient! Check right here. I got this, hon. It's a patient! I got this. You good? Yeah, I got this. I'm good. There's a patient in the back! There's a patient! We got him.
He's in one in custody.
You got gloves on you? Huh?
We got the patient recovered. He's okay. Go ahead and get fires out of here. Heavy smoke coming out of the
Yeah,
unit.
let's get him.
And we have one med-cell unit paramedic recovered as well.
We see heavy smoke coming from the vehicle.
Now slow down. We have enough people there.
Let me go through this real quick. Hey.
So out when you can.
He's eating back, closed down.
Let's start rolling so I can see this.
Yours
is yours.
If you like, I'm fine.
Are they people in the car? Yeah, right there. No one's in. I don't think the patient's in there anymore. Huh? We gotta move. Car's on fire. Let's go.
Here, put him in here. Hey, put him in here. You guys all good?
Who's the unit behind?